take unit number 6, RT Linux. RT Linux. It is also basic RT Linux. So already we were discussed about RTOS, RTOS, task management, process management, scheduling, memory management, and task synchronization. Already we discussed in unit number 3. So now we are going to discuss about RT Linux. So in this unit, RT Linux is an hard real-time RTOS microkernel run entire Linux OS as a primitive process. Real-time OS is a virtual machine. Host OS Linux kernel run as a guest OS. So here Linux kernel, it is run as a guest OS. So it is a always real-time OS virtual machine. It is host OS. Interrupt for real-time processing, handling by real-time code. Other interrupt forwarded to Linux handled at lower priority than real-time interrupts. So acquired by WinRiver. These are embedded tool WinRiver and sold as a WinRiver real-time code for WinRiver Linux. So this is one of the basics. Next one, it is all real-time communities, RTAI, Genome. So it is a real-time Linux. So RTAI, real-time application interface. Real-time application interface provides deterministic response to the interrupts, and kernel batch allow RT system to take over key interrupt. So that leaves ordinary Linux to handle other no patent restriction, lowest flexible latency. Genome emphasizes extensibility rather than lowest latency. It is an RT Linux community, that is for OSES community. RTAI is equal to real-time application interface. So it is real-time Linux, RTAI and Genome. Next, it is also real-time community MuC/OS2. So here kernel only supported, this MuC and OS2 kernel only supported scheduling, message passing. It is in mailboxes. Mailbox is an important. So sometimes they will ask third unit, it is message passing topic, mailboxes. Synchronization means semaphore, memory management, support 64 priority level, run highest priority first, does not support IO device, files, networking. So the version MC GUI, graphical user interface, and MC USB bulk. So this is the two versions of MuC/OS2. Here next one is free RTOS. Free RTOS, the another real-time kernel. So the many features similar to MuC/OS2. Support both task and coroutines. A coroutine does not have its own stack. The smaller memory footprint, more efficient, and the restriction on how when to call etc required. So the version is open RTOS and commercial supported, and safe RTOS, free OS, open free RTOS, open RTOS, safe RTOS. Safe means document for safety critical applications. Documented for safety critical applications. It is in safe OS. Here commercial and supported. Here it is in another real-time kernel. So it is like MuC/OS2. Next one is Kandiki and Tinning OS. It is all the information is available in the link. If you want to more, you can click on this link and see more information. Next, this is an RFID. RFID, energy aware routine time scheduler for computational RFID. And interesting to compare power aware scheduling to RTOS. The time aware scheduling. So time aware scheduling. So here it is a DevDrop is one of the advanced tool of RFID. So it is interesting to compare power aware scheduling to RTOS. Here ROS, the robot operating system, meta operating system, ROS review.pdf, ROS underscore tutorial.pdf. More information you can click, download this PDF file and see more information. Then inter-task communication, shared variable, global variable, shared buffer, producer, consumer. So here producer consumer problem in semaphore. So that shared variable means that global variable means commonly declared, shared variable means after main that variable is using. So here task 0 and task 1. So it is there in the path. So here inter-task communication, shared variable, shared double buffer, ping pong buffer. So here T0, T1. So here, so double way path here, ping pong buffer, double side. So here access T0 to T1 task, here T1 to T0 task. So here one of the one buffer is being filled while the other being empty. So one it is filled means one is empty. So and also used to display graphics. In this normally used to display the graphics. Inter-task communication shared variable ring buffer. Ring buffer means here. So ring. So here it is a head. So it is ringing in this direction. Here it is tile. So tile side. So ringing this side. This is task T0. Here task T1. So an implementation of the queue used to let two processes communicate. FIFO, first in, first out. First in, first out, need to avoid the under overflow. So here in the task communication shared variable mailbox. Mailbox, it is an example, post mailbox comma data, it is in post to the mailbox, P end. So mailbox comma data, P end mailbox. Here T0, T1, post, here P end. Here the flag indicates that the data has been posted, and reading clear flag variant can implement as a queue of length 1 and the extensible queue, the length is n. Priority queue, a way to share a critical resource, P end different from fold since during P end the CPU can do other thing. So here inter-process communication, message / communication, generalized mailbox for agreed upon memory address accessed by defined interface to more abstract addresses. Here inter-process communication, send and receive instead of post and print. So this is another way of inter-task communication. Direct means, so send T1 comma message, send the messages to T1, receive T0 to message, then receive from task T0. Then indirect means send MO comma messages, send messages to mailbox MO and receive MO comma message. So receive message from mailbox M0. So here multiple tasks can be able to read from writing a mailbox. So it is very important example. You have to write direct and indirect two type of message communication. Write the example and explain. Then inter-task communication, message / communication. Here messaging a system can be performed in three different ways. One is link has zero capacity, link has bounded capacity, link has unbounded capacity. That three things only. So here link has zero capacity means repeat request and TX wait for RX to accept message, and asynchronous stop and wait or synchronous. Link has bounded means queue length of n. So link has unbounded capacity means continuous RQ protocol. TX never has to wait. TX can send next package before receiving acknowledgement from the previous packet, and asynchronous AK. Here cooperation of synchronized sharing, task cooperation. Here access to common data and result in data inconsistency and unexpected behavior system failure, and need to message interactions of multitask with common resources. Here car on critical section roadway, it is a bridge example, can be occupied both car at once. So need to message access to shared resource to avoid collisions. So shared resource car 0, car 1, it is a bridge. So shared resource you can use, access the shared resource to avoid the collisions. So here task cooperation, synchronization, sharing, here n item buffer. The same example, shared buffer W / n item capacity. Here it is in producer and consumer problem. So here producer 0, ideal, write. If it is not full, write. If it is not satisfied, then return to ideal, or otherwise terminate. Consumer, so consumer T1, here terminate. T1 same, not empty. Here not full, not empty. It is a read. It is in consumer read, then producer write. So here n buffer, consumer T0 same example, shared buffer W1 W by n item capacity, then producer, this is an example, then consumer, it is a simple C program example, write the simple C program example and explain. So here also example of the problem, task cooperation, synchronous sharing. Here it is what is the race condition, result is determined by which input get to the output first. So any software or hardware situation in which the result depend on critically on timing. So here count implementation. Here it is initialized one possible concurrent executions of C++ and C minus minus. Here example for non-problem. So it is also task cooperation and synchronization. Here count implementation, same example previous one. So it is write this example non-problem and explain. So here work correctly because the operations modify count were not interleaved. So here in the task cooperation, synchronization, sharing, how to prevent the problem due to the current access shared resources. Here ensure the access of the shared resources is mutually exclusive. Only one process can access at time. Mutual exclusion synchronization and condition synchronization. It is in structure example. Here entry section and critical section and existing section. It is in structure of a critical section. Write this example and explain. Here task cooperation, synchronous sharing. So request to solve critical section problem, ensure the mutual exclusion in critical section, prevent a deadlock, ensure progress through critical section, ensure bounded waiting. Upper limit of the number of time lower priority task can be blocked by the higher priority task. Definition, atomic operations is guaranteed to determinate without being interrupted. Sub-steps comprise an atomic operation, success or fail together. So it is an task cooperation synchronization only. In task cooperation, lot of mechanism for implementing the mutual exclusion.